Welcome to the Lantern Light AI Newscast number 31. Smarter Machines, Healthier Humans, Bigger Questions. Made by Chris Morley. In Boston on Wednesday, May 13, 2026 at 11:03 p.m. UTC. A new immunotherapy approach is delivering striking survival gains for rectal cancer patients, while Japanese scientists crack a key challenge in quantum computing called the W-state detection problem. On the factory floor and in your home, edge computing and intelligent IoT are reshaping industry in 2026. Electric vehicles could spike winter power demand by 30%, and a new survey finds workers would rather share the job with AI than hand it over entirely. First up, cancer cures, immunotherapy, precision oncology news from around the world. Researchers presented data at the European Society for Medical Oncology Congress in Barcelona showing that immunotherapy alone caused rectal cancer to disappear in a notable share of patients, sparing them surgery, radiation, and chemotherapy. The findings were published simultaneously in the New England Journal of Medicine. Oncologists describe the results as part of a broader therapeutic revolution that has unfolded over the past decade, with CAR T-cell therapies and checkpoint inhibitors transforming OUTComes for cancers that were once considered untreatable. Scientists cautioned that these dramatic responses remain confined to specific cancer subtypes and that more research is needed before the approach can be widely applied. Up next, a finding from the labs. Scientists in Japan announced a breakthrough method for instantly detecting quantum W states, a milestone that researchers say could accelerate quantum communication and teleportation technologies. W states are a particularly elusive form of quantum entanglement that has resisted reliable real-time measurement until now. The development is seen as a meaningful step toward practical quantum networks capable of transmitting information with far greater security and speed than conventional systems. Researchers have not yet announced a specific timeline for commercial applications, but the finding has drawn attention from quantum computing teams working on long-distance entanglement projects worldwide. Now, a top science and technology headline. Intelligent edge computing has become a central force in industrial transformation, with manufacturers increasingly deploying IoT sensors, AI-powered quality control, and predictive maintenance systems on the factory floor. The shift moves data processing away from distant cloud servers and closer to the machines themselves, reducing latency and improving real-time decision-making. IoT Evolution World recognized breakthrough companies at its 2025 Edge Computing Excellence Awards last November, highlighting solutions that are reshaping how industries operate. Analysts say the convergence of 5G connectivity and edge hardware is accelerating adoption across manufacturing, logistics, and energy sectors worldwide. Now, an update on electric vehicles' energy storage. A new study has found that electric vehicles could significantly increase winter electricity demand in some regions by as much as 30% by the year 2050. The research, focused on New Zealand, found that EVs require more energy for heating during cold months, creating seasonal peaks that grid operators will need to plan for. Energy efficiency was also found to vary by up to 18% between regions, meaning some areas face greater challenges than others. Researchers say the findings have broad implications for grid planning in any country with cold winters and growing EV adoption. And here's one more headline from the labs in the field. Smart factory deployments are accelerating across global manufacturing sectors as edge computing and industrial IoT converge more tightly in 2026. Facilities are integrating AI-powered quality control and predictive maintenance systems running directly on local hardware, reducing reliance on centralized cloud infrastructure. This shift keeps data processing closer to machines and sensors, cutting latency and improving response times on production lines. Industry analysts say the trend is broadening beyond factories into logistics, energy, and agriculture, as lower-cost edge hardware makes always-on intelligent monitoring practical for smaller operators around the world. Wrapping up, a story from the future of work, AI automation augmentation. A Stanford Salt Lab analysis of 104 occupations found that workers most commonly preferred what researchers call equal partnership with AI, a middle ground between full automation and simple tool use, with that preference appearing as the top choice in 47 of the occupations studied. The research introduces a human agency scale designed to map where different jobs fall across the spectrum from AI-driven automation to human-led augmentation. Separate executive research suggests that while automation strategies tend to show faster early returns, augmentation approaches, where humans and AI work together closely, are expected to outperform over the long run. The findings are drawing attention from major institutions including the IMF, OECD, and World Economic Forum.
Today's program is brought to you by Lantern Light AI. Please note that Chris Morley is a seasoned software architect currently available for inquiries seeking help using AI to build, run and maintain modern web applications, cloud systems, databases, streaming data pipelines, search engines, interactive 3D graphics as well as other high-performance software services at scale. If the avatar or the newscast format interests you and you would like to see something like this customized for your business use case, please email Chris Morley at chris.morley@lanternlight.ai. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe and share with your friends. More science, tech and AI news coming soon. Thanks for watching.